Embezzlement is a serious financial crime that occurs when someone in a position of trust steals money they were entrusted to manage. At its core, embezzlement is a form of white-collar theft where the perpetrator has legal access to the funds before they take them. The key term here is fiduciary. This means the person was legally trusted to hold or manage money for someone else. Embezzlers often hide their tracks by manipulating accounting records or creating fake invoices to cover up the missing funds. Unlike a robbery, which is forceful and immediate, embezzlement is a slow, deceptive act committed by an insider. Because perpetrators often have access to the books, these crimes can go undetected for months or even years. Businesses prevent this by separating duties, ensuring that no single person has total control over both the money and the accounting records. Understanding these risks helps you better evaluate financial integrity. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep learning about how money moves.